Hi there. I'd like you to consider dry fasting. My name is Dr. August Dunning. This is my channel, the Phoenix Protocol channel, and you find out about what dry fasting is all about here. How to do it safely, how to exit from it, and retain all the benefits that you get from it. It's really important to do it right, and this book, The Phoenix Protocol, shows you how to do it right. How to prepare for it, how to conduct it, how to recover from it, and how to receive the amazing benefits of dry fasting, one of which is stem cell regeneration. And in particular, a new type of stem cell that we know of called Muse-AT stem cells, adipose tissue stem cells. About 3 to 5% of the stem cells in your fat tissues are these stem cells that get released immediately into the vascular system when the fat cells start producing the triglycerides and free fatty acids required to keep your mitochondria working during a dry fast. And it turns on these proteins that turns off your normal somatic cells from regenerating and turns on your stem cells for regenerating. And if you do this for 5 to 7 days, you get overlapping populations of stem cells in the hundreds of millions, replacing broken, senescent, broken down, dead cells in the body with brand new cells with some actually with early active telomerase. But the AT stem cells, they have active telomerase. They can become any 3 germlines, and you end up replacing cells with practically immortal cells. That's what dry fasting does. Oh, sure, it gets rid of the parasites, and oh, sure, it gets rid of the toxins, and oh, sure, it fixes your brain thought waves and stuff, and restores your homeostasis and chemistry. Sure, it does all that. And that's fine and good. But I don't know about you, but I want to stay here longer. So I wrote this book, A Philosophy of Time Travel. That one is very interesting because it brings in the problem of labile iron loading. And iron loading can be the foundation of almost every disease that hits man. And it gets worse as we get older because it builds up as we get older. And I go into that too. So yeah, glad you tuned in. And this is a channel, you can look at all the videos below here, that discusses this particular topic in all sorts of ways and leaves the politics at home. Anyway, so that's about it for today. And it's a beautiful day at the beach. But yeah, consider dry fasting. It may be the thing you've been looking for. And if you get this book, A Phoenix Protocol, and go to the chapters on 2 doctors, Shishnikov and Filanov, and look at all the diseases that they've cured, yours might be on the list. Anyway, that's my tip of the day, and get enough salt. It makes everything work. At least a teaspoon a day. Take care. Bye.